how to enable Dictate in Word on Mac. So once you're on your MacBook device, when you've opened up the Microsoft Word document you want to dictate into, all you will need to do is just go to the Home tab at the top left hand corner there, and then it should be over here near the top right hand corner where it says Dictate. It says Office Dictation. Go ahead and click on Office Dictation. Then it's going to ask for permission, so you're going to want to go ahead and click on Allow. Once you've clicked Allow, right now it should be listening on the right hand side there, as you can see, and also the text will be popping up on the screen. Once you're done with that, all you need to do is go ahead and just click on it again, then it will mute it. You can go ahead and do it again just by clicking it one more time, and then it will continue on from where you left off. And you can also change the settings, etc. if you want to change the microphone and things like that within here. And you can also exit out of it once you're done. Leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.